In this video, you'll learn how to disable incognito mode in the Perplexity AI app. By following these steps, you will switch back to normal mode and regain full access to the app's features. Start by opening the Perplexity AI application on your device. Ensure that the app has fully loaded before proceeding. This guarantees that all features are accessible. Once the application is open, look at the upper right corner of the screen. You should see an icon that represents incognito or private mode. This icon typically resembles a mask or a similar symbol. Click on the incognito private icon. When you do this, the icon will change to indicate that incognito mode is now turned off. You will notice that you are back in normal mode, allowing you to use the app without the restrictions of incognito browsing. Alternatively, you can disable incognito mode using a keyboard shortcut. First, ensure that the Perplexity AI app is still open. Then, if you are using a Windows device, press the Control key along with the semicolon key. For Mac users, press the Command key and the semicolon key simultaneously. After pressing the appropriate keys, incognito mode will toggle off. You will receive visual feedback that confirms the change, allowing you to continue using the app in normal mode without any interruptions. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.